Hi, I'm going to be doing a review on this Vastar soldering gun. It's multi-temperature. It goes from uh, 30 watt all the way up to 60 watt, which shows you on the package. And I am going to do some soldering. I'm going to solder these wires I need done together. It comes with multiple tips. There's 5 extra tips. There's 6 altogether. There's already 1 in the gun. And I will get some solder. It comes with a tube of solder, so you can start right off soldering. I've already got the gun preheated. I'm going to add my 12 volt tip back to this. Line these up together, get them kind of in there like they're supposed to be. Okay, they're in there. Now I'm going to take this, I'm just going to kind of preheat it a little bit. On top and on the bottom. Let it get kind of warm. Then I will take my solder. I'm so sorry I got mad at you before. It was really mean of me. It's okay. Real cowboys best. Thanks, guys. And I have an idea. Maybe if Night Ninja and his Ninjalitos get angry, they'll mess up too. Come on, PJ. And you can see that it soldered it right together. Real nice. And it won't come apart. And if I got shrink tape to go over it. I can push the, let me get it set here. Push the shrink tape up over the top. And now I will change the tip. Oop, can't change it because it's kind of hot, so I'll just use the same one. But it comes with extra tips to where you can do shrink tape or all different kinds of stuff with them. But you can use them for doing shrink tape or even soldering. Some people like to take soldering guns like these and do wood carvings. So you can do that too. But it works really good on doing soldering and shrink tape. You can see where it shrunk it back down nice and tight. And I can do the same thing to the other side, which I won't right now, but I showed you how easy it is to solder and how quick it is. It has a light on it that shows you that it's on. It's got a little dial. You can dial it up from 30 to 60 watts. And it's 110, 60 watt on the gun, plugged into 110. It gets nice and hot. It's got a nice firm little rubber grip to where you can hold it nice and steady. You don't get burned. But to change the tips, you want to make sure it's nice and cool. And you'll just run this, spin this off, and that top comes off, and you can change it. And it just slides back in there, and you just slide that back on it and tighten it up. It's got multiple tips. It's got fat ones, real fat tips, to real fine pinpoint tips on it. And it works really well. It came with all the tips and soldering to get you started. And I would recommend this to all my mechanic buddies. It's nice and lightweight, small enough you can get under dashes or in small places. So there's the soldering gun. I recommend that you run right out and buy one because they work really well.